और चलिए सीधे रुक करते दिल्ली का, जहां पर सूफी कॉन्फ्रेंस में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी बोल रहे हैं।
अशरफ, फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट ऑल इंडिया उलेमा एंड मशाइक बोर्ड, शौकी इब्राहिम अब्दुल करीम अल्लम, ग्रांड मुफ्ती ऑफ इजिप्ट, शेख हाशिमुद्दीन अल गैलानी फ्रॉम बगदाद, Abdul Rahim Muhammad Okur from Jordan, Sayyid Minajur Rahman from Bangladesh, Diwan Ahmad Masud Chishti from Pakistan, Sayyid Nizami from Nizamuddin Dargah, and Sayyid Chishti from Ajmer Sharif. My minister colleague, scholars and Sufis from India, our guests from neighbors and from nations far beyond, welcome to a land that is a timeless fountain of peace and an ancient source of traditions and faiths which has received and nurtured religions from the world. Welcome to a people with an abiding belief in Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The world is one family. A belief in harmony with the message of Holy Quran, that mankind were one community, then they differed among themselves. A creed accord, in the words of the great Persian Sufi poet Sadi, written in the United Nations, that human beings come from the same source. We are one family. Welcome to the ancient city of Delhi, built by the genius of diverse peoples, cultures, and faiths. Like our nation, the city's heart has a place for every faith, from those with few followers to those with billion believers. It is a magnificent shrine, includes the dargahs of great Sufi saints Mahbub-e-Ilahi and Hazrat Bakhtar Kafi, that draw people from all faiths and all corners of the world. This is an extraordinary event of great importance to the world at a critical time for humanity. At a time when the dark shadow of violence is becoming longer, you are the Noor, or the light of a hope. When young laughter is silenced by guns on the streets, you are the voice that heals. In a world that struggles to assemble for peace and justice, this is an assembly of those whose life itself is a message of peace, tolerance, and love. You have come from different lands and cultures, but you are united by a common faith. You speak different languages, but they blend together in a message of harmony. And you represent the rich diversity of the Islamic civilization that stands on the solid bedrock of a great religion. It is a civilization that reached great heights by the 15th century in science, medicine, literature, art, architecture, and commerce. It drew on the immense talents of its people and also Islam's engagement with diverse civilizations.